This is Akko's first keyboard with a TFT LCD screen. It's gasket mounted, RGB backlit, it offers 3-mode connectivity, you can switch between Mac and Windows, it has an 8000 mAh battery with fast charging, and you can even upload your own GIFs to the 1.47-inch LCD screen. It's 5-pin hot swappable, and it comes with the Akko V3 Piano Pro switch, which is linear. It comes with double-shot PBT keycaps, you can choose from many themes. I have the special Wasteland Survival theme, which comes with a stunning keycap design and beautiful novelties. Akko is currently holding a Black Friday sale. You can get 20% off site-wide until the 3rd December. But now let's find out how the keyboard sounds, like a doggy dream.